So everything I through donation, you know. So we got 2 rooms here, tiled out and thing. You have the bathroom down here, so kitchen part. So you have the bathroom and see where bathroom and tiling.
Comfortable.
Well comfortable. You can see how she has it now, where she has to get, you know. And this
the Trenchtown Development Association to put together now, so you know, I'm going to on the board. I'm going to play a vital role. All the warriors are going in the community and different little vibes, it kind of cool on the road.
yeah.
All of them, there's some big thing like pass, you know?
Yes.
All the little things that are there in the road, them so have to move up. Move up. Because this place is going to be a tourist attraction place. It is already, but it's going to be the real official, as though it should have been.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Machiavelli.
Yeah, man, you know what thing go on.
Cool down. Man, cool. All is well and good. That's it. Ernest, as you can see that the project where you see we are the grade. Coated with the mic. I'm bringing this. So look where I go. Where I go? Natural. Jackson, Rasta Jackson. Natural. Machiavelli.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
man. You see that? Great man from the Constable Force to show himself, man. I tell you, man. Yeah, man.
See it there?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, see that man. Watch it and like the greatness where I go.
People, you know?
Yeah.
Beyond and abroad.
Same way.
Yeah.
I'll see you more often, you know.
Yeah, man.
We are come back make some difference in our community, you know.
Yeah,
Our place to born and grow.
True.
We are strengthening things.
Continuing the news. One person with a disability is appealing to the government to quickly get enough buses in service to cater to the disabled community. He says the few that are now designated are woefully inadequate.
The Foundation for the Disabled, based in Portmore, St. Catherine, wants the government to step up its efforts to ease the discomfort faced by people with disabilities, particularly during their commute. Project manager Cleon Porter claims the 3 buses designated to transport them in Kingston and St. Andrew, as well as St. Catherine, are regularly out of service.
When you are a person with disability, can you imagine the regular person just taking the bus maybe for the week, it costs them maybe $2,000, but the person with disability gonna cost for the week to transport them $10,000 because they have that special vehicle to carry them with a wheelchair.
But Cesar Toms, corporate communications manager at the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, says currently 2 of the 3 buses are in service. He explained that the one out of operation has a broken windshield, however efforts are being made to get it back on the road. Mr. Tom says 70 new buses are expected in the island by month end. He says he has had meetings with the persons from the disabled community, assuring them that the new buses will be able to accommodate them.
Then I want to applaud the government for that move, because it cannot be a case where persons with disability has to wait on special bus. We don't need no for the 3 bus that is currently here. So we need a number of buses. I mean, anytime they want to go to even a party, go look for their family or friends, they can just go at a bus stop and know that that bus is accessible.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.
Yeah.
And come the 25th of the month, yeah, keep a thing for the elders, children and disabled. And the West Kingston police, them will make them be a part of it. So we have a change that thing there where the police them the image where you find say they every time you hear some interaction with police, it have to do with shooting and them. So we have to break them type of image and no sense in here in a trench town, West Kingston.
Something great.
You have to do with something great. You know?
Helping out the needed, seeing helping the people.
The thing is called community relation with police, you know?
Yeah, man, we have to build back that and bring that.
Yeah, man. Let me look.
Great thing, so right over, not too far, 20 come out, you know?
Yeah.
We have some back to school things for them. Said we have Foundation for the Disabled, because we are the project manager for that organization, the Foundation for the Disabled. Yes. And we have my own organization, said we Global Charity for All.
See there.
Yeah, man.
See,
and we have Carnival here with we.
Yeah,
man.
Carnival.
Man and the team and put things together. Carnival.
Yes, in a Carnival.
Carnival,
yeah, man, greatness, man.
Top producer too, you know.
Yeah, music producer too.
Yeah, man.
See there.
The community there is talent, you know, so we just go and find it.
Yeah. And talent there enough.
Yeah, I kind of realize, you know.
One just passed for a while ago. If you come like 5 minutes before you see him before come down the road. Yeah, Van Ross. A lot of talent there still, you know.
If they support it, only for project, only for things we have to put through.
Yeah.
You know, some young artists, we give them rhythms, we put them on the road, shoot them videos.
Yeah.
And most talents are every community over there, you know.
Yes,
so Mr. Porter here over there and just have to
Which is right. I'm like that, you know, because I say, together we can make it work, you know. You know, a unity is strength, so we have to unite to make it possible. We can help out each other.
The Trench Town Development Association to put together now, so you know, I'm going to depend on the board. I'm going to play a vital role. All the war are going in the community and different vibes, it kind of cool on now. All of them, there's some big thing like pass, you know.
Yes.
All the little things that are there in the road, them so have to move up.
Move
up. Because this place is going to be a tourist attraction place. It is already, but it's going to be the real real official as how it should have been. Like designed to be that, but just through, you know, the unity.
Yeah.
So things are fixed, man. I tell you that.
I see that, you know, a lot of people dream for know so Trenchtown can be a one and the place can nice or them can remember it way back in for them grandmother days. You know, when they could have leave, you do a walk, they could have walk go anywhere, and you know, say all is well.
Yeah, man.
Street by street is so much joy and fun, you know, because my grandmother used to tell me about kind of your young days in a Trenchtown, you know, so a lot of us want to see that dream come true for know how it was, you know, because in my time and your time growing up, we never experience it. You know, a lot of pipe areas I hear it, you know, so there's time where things can change, you know, because after a shower of rain, there's always must be a calm.
Yeah, man.
So a lot of people been looking for that, been dreaming for it, so hopefully that day will come where you know, say yo, Trenchtown is definitely that tourist attraction place.
Yes,
where you know, say don't hear nothing again about
nothing
that.
Again.
You hear about Trenchtown, you think of Negril there.
Yeah, man.
You know?
You see the street, I go stay, I be a white people and the tourists them I go just walk the street.
Yes, because we see 1 and 2 walks, see me, but we know so there can be many more.
Man.
You know, whole heap of bus pull up with tourists, you know, because we see 1 and 2 bus, but we can see loads of bus still like traffic.
Yeah.
Where, you know, so everybody, the craft shop them, you know, the vendor them can out, them can inherit same way. You know, because a long time you have a craft shop over there, so see me, you know, but no tourists now come in, so you can feel they're welcome where the people them can so go and see me, you know. So we have a lot of things. We have one next door to the World Chef shop, you know, where they sell craft things, but as I mentioned, tourists now pass through enough yet. So
yeah, man, we have fixed things, man. If we have a meeting at the end of the month, after that, certain things that are streamlined and everybody have the warriors them in the community have to just know say a different thing. Then
just love and
they
unity.
change it just take for yourself. That's the thing there.
Love and
different
unity.
thing will come up streamlined. So as soon as I put everything together, but they go hear about it. Because the thing they plan them and they about the community have to move forward. We now make no one person or few little person hold it back. Progress. Everybody can turn all. You have a room boy, you can turn it in a Airbnb.
That is
people
right.
them from all over the world want to come and stay in it.
Yes, yeah.
You understand me? Sure. I'm going to put the power in the people them and few local people just come and try to take out the power of the people them.
Sure,
but when the people them get the power in them and be them own security. So who don't fall in line just have to move up. It can't work.
That's a nice little business, you know, everybody can turn them home in an Airbnb. Just like that this now we are building stuff here, Miss Dana.
Yes,
you know, a lot of these can build and turn an Airbnb.
Yeah, you get
same
a booking. Stay out because stay all with one somebody for one 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And eat a big food and come back in.
Yeah.
So
I can see now this is all through donation as well. When you watch the program and you see everything is just through donation from people donate towards the cause, you know. And that build all of the project then when you see that we do and help out the situation, you know, it's all donation. People that we don't even know from nowhere, you know, but just watching the cars and saying them about Trenchtown where they never expect them to see Trenchtown the way they must see it now. Because when you hear about Trenchtown, you think that somewhere like an uptown you have to think about, you know, because when you hear about Bob Marley and Trenchtown, you're not going to expect it. You know, so, as I say, we can't always depend on the government, we have to always come together and make it work. Government have to do for them thing and we have to play our part, same way. You understand? So, a unity is strength. So this is how you can see we are trying to play our part and use them to come from the community and make it happen. You know, because I'm going to say one hand cannot clap.
Yeah, man.
And if we depend on one hand to do everything, it's not going to work.
Yes, man.
So the unification is the key for us moving forward.
So what you do, people when I come into, you know, disabled, we want to have a list of them and the things them need. Like somebody from out there can just work on the list there and the different things that we need because you know the diaspora same way they're behind it. And we have a lot of things that are coming from overseas. And see where we can. Africa my place, so we share some of my love to the people. Yeah, and on the day the 25th, ensure say make them come up across the south, bring in the disabled them, drag them come, make them come eat, everything free. Bring the kids them bounce about there. So we do a thing, we do it at Portmore already. day before Labor Day, same thing we do at Portmore. Everybody love it. So they never snuck like that on election.
Yeah,
man, the Friday. Like this 6th Street, at the corner.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So the 25th of August.
You know the Trenchtown police station.
Okay, over by the red top, where the red top is, right?
Yeah, right on the front. Calisco Drive on 6th Street.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Special day for the disabled and the elderly, man. Children. Bunks about there for your children, them. And different little rights and them, some of them.
Yeah.
Change everything, man.
Yeah, man. And it's a way forward, you know.
Way forward.
And like, you know, say, well, when you can't see what we are doing, so we are trying to make the changes the same way.
Yeah, man.
You know, so we are trying to do the same thing, same way.
Yeah, man.
You know, as you can see, I take a look on the project we are dealing now. You know, because we have to, go on, I'll show you how I go on. So everything I through donation, you know. So we got 2 rooms, see nice. Tiled out and thing.
Yeah.
And you have the bathroom down here, so kitchen part. So see you have the bathroom and see where. Bathroom and tidy.
Comfortable.
Well comfortable.
Well comfortable.
If you see how she has it, you know, who she have to get, you know. And this is the place that we transform.
Yeah, she have family in a place, right?
Not really. But she live here a long time and she have
This will be 1 bedroom and
this is another. And this, you know, she have another for youth where we just put one single bed that's a thing. So we kind of frame out this so we can put a single bed and like a curtain so we can bounce that's the same way. She have 2 people them where I 2 bunk bed. And she have over this so them can eat, you know. So this is it, man. So as I say, everything is through donation. As you can see, you know, people help out the situation, see. Many more also build already, you know what I can see. Everything is through donation. So we can get better moving forward. Yeah, so that's not gone on yet. So the door them, we have the door them for going already and everything. So we do the base Kalina, so it's 1 and 2 places to finish off. So it's a wall we have built to shove our gate.
Gate right as well.
Yeah, right there, so that's why I see them put them wall right now for the gate. So I agree. Yeah. So yeah, move the gate, you know, so there's 1 and 2 things to finish off, like them place, you know, we're going to finish off, you know, place to go dress off and everything, so this is the last major work left to do. So after the major work I done now, we just start pitch patch off and level off and everything, and we can have a house opening. So we can.
Which month that like again?
Well, next month. Because the month I finish right now, so hopefully this month August. Right, natural. So we say in August we have the house opening, right? House opening. Yeah. So in August we have the house opening, yeah, so.
Yeah, man, it's a good man. Don't know anytime we are work on a container of food and things, so anytime we get in that, don't know the love of a share, you know?
Yeah,
man.
Rasta Jackson an artist too, you know. Rasta Jackson, producer too, you know. And then when you're a long time foundation singer, you know, Rasta Jackson, you know. Yeah, man, I'm a whole heap of sample song, and you know, 3 towers come out naturally, man, you have to voice them. And the viewers them out natural said Rasta Jackson you must go and record them thing there.
You say still interested in the music thing, career.
Yeah man, I'm on the band feet man.
Yeah. You know the name man.
So you know, so that man have
like him, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Rasta man.
Yeah, man. Rasta man.
The produce up and up and center on the front.
Yeah, for real.
So that's music.
Music, we have the drums about 2 drop out them, you know, come and then mash the drum and they play them and mash them up, the kettle drum.
I fix up a studio at the farm to write the sardine joint.
What the imagery?
Yeah,
inside on the side.
Right on the front, as I come in on the front.
Yeah man, we sit up there.
Yeah man, you saw.
They party, you know.
Yeah man, we're family man. So
they don't know me, they don't know me.
Yes man.
They don't know me there man. I do something
man, I have to come show your talent.
Yeah.
What are the thing them man, what are them man, every artist have to one song, you know.
Yeah.
One song, you know.
Yeah.
So if I see what thing we can't tell you to pirate the man, rubber and cut and go.
No.
Yeah.
Everything I go on a trench town with there, you know. And the road have all reggae music and all movie style and the entertainer and the more actress.
That's all there, man.
Yes, man. I like to say that. I'm the number one slump on the
Of course. See me, I hold for number one.
After August, man, I will back in after. Yeah, cause some meeting and different things.
They were at the Genius, you know. Genius is the man that cry, their money. You see, because there, so anything at all, you know.
Global charity for all, I'm a supporter, response to it, and we are keep the school to it.
Yes, man.
So any project when we support, the most we on board, more than one producer is there. We have more artists and other engineers who interested in it.
Great things are known so.
School to start back September, October. So you know, a whole heap of artists are going to get their exposure.
Yes, righteousness, you know, and we are aiming for the better, for the community, you know, and for the younger generation who are come up. You know, it's the only way forward, you know, to change the mindset. And even done by First Street, but you JJ in there, because we have a program I run down by First Street with JJ Book and Ball.
That's how we did library then?
Yeah, but with the football field, but we used to like coach, look who use them, you know, the young.
Brown
No, in the flyout, so nobody not really take up back that yet, you know, and wish somebody else could have try and take it up where it can carry on same way, you know.
The sports part team did that focus on.
Yeah, and then the teacher use them as well too, so it's book and ball, so you know you come and get book work, and after you know you go and learn to play
and
football.
And do the book work in the library.
Yeah, but them normally be on the football field, and then the library and the football field them do it. But remember, look at room and put up as well to one classroom down there. But one classroom put up down there now, you know, where you have a donor as well, to a couple of donors come together and put together. You can have a donor.
I think needs some computer.
Yeah. So you have a donor. Yes, man. Because you have a donor where they give a youth trend as well to, you know, Satnam, you know, you have other donors that put together and make it happen, and them selling. There's a lot of donors selling books and football boots and gears as well to for them down there. You know, so the viewers them really come together and really make it work. But you're not really there here now, so you know, really on the bad way can balance it up, you know. Yeah, because remember because you once you have a root or something, you're not really here, the strength not really there, you know, because you know anything where you are doing is different from somebody else to do it.
Yeah.
So we need somebody with the same heart as him now who can come carry it on, you know, same way. Like, it's good for the youths them, you know, because
man, they keep them focused and positive, you know.
Yes, because when them come from school, them head straight down there, them get more book work, and then get football after football, them get a little snacks, and them go home now, you know, so them by the time that done, you know, a bedtime. So school again a morning, you see me, so them always active.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, man, a real thing, man. Them things that we streamline up back, you know. As soon as the Trenchtown Development Association start out certain things.
Yeah.
Then we have all of our different projects where we have a need people to come in and do, and we are monetize, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, man, greatness, man, and respect you for passing through. So them say the 25th of August, you know, over by 6th Street. So everybody is more than welcome, you know, it's more than welcome. I will definitely be there.
Yeah, man.
And as we say, we're going to try and organize it this year with them, you know, less fortunate and we can bring them come. But most of them can't even move, so if normally we'd have to bring the stuff them to them like we
with us.
Normally do.
Get the food them and
yeah. Because you have a lady who contact me as well to say she at Jamaica, you know, to shop some stuff where she want to give back as well too. But she also want to come by in Tower Hill where she's from to help give out there as well too. You know, but she want to give out here. You know, she give out in Tower Hill because she want to spread the thing, you know, so more people can come and so on.
That body to come
yeah.
It's stronger.
Yeah, so I know.
Maybe they send you the flyer, right?
Yeah, they send me, right?
They send you back again.
Yeah.
And you can share it in a different groups.
Yeah. So I forgot find out when she'll leave Jamaica. So if she could stay with them time, then she can make it as one thing. But if not, we'll have to try and do it from before.
Yeah, man.
You know, so I'll try and call her by later on today.
Yeah, man, that's good.
And find out if she's gonna be here.
To MP, to him, say I'm gonna do it, you know.
Yeah. Alright, then more greatness, man. It's a good look. I will give thanks more and more, man. You know what I think,
man.
Yes,
same
man.
way, you know?
Yes, you know, nah, stop. You see the thing I got now, you know?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Keep in touch, man. And
Yeah. More
you
love.
always big up on yourself.
Yes, I.
That's the beginning of greatness, you know?
Alright then.
Yeah, man. Strength will strength, you know?
Yes.
Man, unity
It's strength.
I'm gonna bring down all of the negative one and rise up the
Positive
great
one,
and
great
positive
one.
Hope the girls to come in to them.
Yeah, man. Best of.
Pass through and the strength you put in. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, always. Guidance and brother, respect him. Alright, yeah. Man, unity and strength.
Yeah, and together we can make a change.
Togetherness and if you know about our work.
Yes, sir.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiro Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.